Hi, my name is Tony Lotzov. The company is called Strictly Tickets. Imagine this, wanting to take a client to a footy match, hop in a cab, book your tickets from the phone, receive your QR barcode ticket directly on your phone, head directly to the turnstile at the match, swipe your phone, head directly in. What about a special present for a special friend? Hop online, send them a digital gift voucher directly to their phone from their favorite store. Your friend, with phone in hand, simply heads to the store, picks their gift, heads to the checkout, swipes their phone and collects and redeems their gift voucher. Not only is this cost effective, but it's also better for the environment. Strictly Tickets is the world's only socially based paperless ticketing solution that's able to cross-promote events across a wide ticketing network. Not only reduces costs, but Strictly Tickets is not just an idea, it's fully functional. It's fully operational not only here, but as well as in Southern Africa. The entire system was built in-house, and we've been able to develop the system so we can white label it and brand it for the look and feel for our clients and embed it in their ticketing solutions. This is a win-win situation for everyone, the consumer, the merchant, and the environment. It may only take you 90 seconds to receive your ticket via Strictly Tickets, but it'll take a lot longer to explain the full functionality and advantages of the system. Thanks for your time.